I have eyes on the vehicle.
Alright, copy. What's your 03?
I'm turning right on MG out of Korea.
Copy. I've got it. Northmead Square. I've got it. Northmead Mall. I've got it.
Where at the mall?
Matrix side and the Carlitos side. It's here at that entrance there. It's reverse parked into a parking.
I was just in Galito.
No, straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Not the first entrance. Go past that one where you are. Not the first one going in. Second one. You'll see it standing right here by the entrance. Or right here by the entrance 2. Go in. On your left, Bucky there. The thing's on.
Hello, how are you? Alright, I'm with the anti-hijacking unit. This car is reported as a stolen vehicle. Yes, yeah, this car is reported as a stolen vehicle. Who's the owner of the car, my baby? How you doing? Is this your car? Alright, it's reported stolen. Did you report it stolen before? How are you?
Fine, Edu.
Good, thank you. Let's just stand right there. Stand right
How
there.
is it now, the insurance?
How are you doing?
How about you?
Fine, thank you. Tell me, when did they steal this?
December time.
In-
Let me put,
What's the case number? Case number.
You ask,
Yeah.
you must give me a business
I
card.
will give you a
I want to put it my car, sir.
All right. Have you got the paperwork from the police when they cleared it, please?
Let me phone my brother. Because now I took it from my way insurance.
Okay.
Yeah, and then...
Let me just ask, you need to come out.
No problem.
All right.
Let me phone my brother and then fix it. Because we took it now, that's my way.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was the case number? Which? 228.
Yeah,
Of? Of
12.
12. That's right, he says. He just fixed it from Renew It now so that they can fix it.
No, this is... Give me a business card.
I'm going to give you a card now, but what we need is we need the paperwork.
Then what?
Did you get do we have an ownership on it?
Yes,
I see it's the right person, but now the problem we have is this vehicle is still circulated. In other words, on the police system, on the database, it says this vehicle is still a wanted vehicle. So you're investigating.
Let me go the IO there.
That's fine, because I think that maybe the airtime run out now.
Let me give you my driver's license to shoot it there. To make it so maybe it's got something you can shoot my license. Tomorrow I'll
We're going to need this. In any case, just take the pictures of the person that we found the vehicle with.
Yeah.
Where do you live, sir? In Davidson.
That's so, yeah.
Okay. And also, where does your brother live?
My brother is in Crystal Park.
In Crystal Park.
He's there, the
Huh?
Can I release for me? Release for me. Ja, ik heb die release for me.
Sy het verbygery, het hy nie hier gestaan nie. Ek het verbygery om te kyk. Yeah, you see, we don't have that paperwork. It's like I need the proof that the car was released by the police. Because at this moment it says to me this car is a wanted car.
You got that and can
Yes, I can, of course.
Let me give you. 079.
Give to me. Seven nine. And he is Zwani.
Yeah.
From which station is he?
He's working there at the Postman.
Okay. Now he's a constable, a sergeant, a warrant, a captain.
The lady.
Is it a lady?
Yeah.
Hi ma'am, how are you doing?
Good enough.
Fine, thank you. You speak to Anton from NoJack anti-hijacking unit. I'm here in Benoni with the... you are speaking to Anton. I'm from the anti-hijacking unit, NoJack, here in Benoni. Alright, my baby, let me just take you off the Bluetooth, it's easy. Alright, I have a vehicle here, Toyota Hilux, with a number plate 666 Mike Oscar Golf. Alright, the vehicle is still positive on the SAP system. So our cameras in the vehicles picked it up. So, yes, so I mean, it hasn't been, yes? Okay, my baby, I'm sitting with a man who I'm going to have to arrest for possession of a stolen vehicle. Okay, was it cleared from Forceman? The decirculation, the final circulation status. The final circulation has even been done to this, nothing. Because when we look at the system, it doesn't say that there's anything. But now I have to take this car, to the SAP 13 in Benoni. Because it's still positive. Okay, but now it says to me that somebody didn't do their job properly. They released the vehicle before the final circulation was done. Who does the final circulation? Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah, this was that's right, yes, it's still positive. Alright, but as I said, it's still positive. It still shows it's positive on the system.
Postman will fix it tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
Adala?
Yes. Okay. Alright, now, but now we are inconveniencing this man. So I need somebody to give us some, I said at the moment it's a problem.
Stolen vehicle, man. We're busy with a positive vehicle. We can't. This has to be on camera as is.
I will phone you in the morning, my baby. 100%. Okay. That is, yes, and that is the problem that we're currently having. Okay. Thank you, my angel. All right. Perfect. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you, my baby. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, we're sitting with a problem because she can't do anything now.
No, what I'm going to do, I'm going to park and then tomorrow we'll fix this thing first.
Yeah, but I can't let it go.
No,
Because
my
it's-
details.
No, I can't because it says to me it's still stolen. I can't verify who this person is. So I'm sitting with a car that is said to me it's positively stolen. I'm thinking you're showing me a renewed paperwork.
Yeah.
But if I let this vehicle go and somebody shoot you, I'm going to be responsible.
It's not a problem. And then
No, I can't even do that because no, really, because it says that it's stolen.
And they need, because we've tested
Okay,
now
let's
and it's
put it
positive.
there,
They want
At
an
the-
SNIPR 30
I
number.
can put that.
I don't want to do that.
Yes.
Because when it goes there,
It's going to be a long process and
not the process, they're going to strip your car.
they're going to strip my car.
We need that SNIPR 30
Phone my brother.
Okay. What is the what?
It's a vehicle sort. It has to have an SNIPR 30. If I
Get,
don't have an
okay,
SNIPR,
all we can do is get flying squad quickly.
Then they
it
can
has
escort
to
me.
Let's see what this. Let him. Take a ride. All right. Did I give you the card?
Yeah, you give me the
Did I?
card, yeah.
All right. So let's see. But they're going to sort it out for you quickly now. All right. So let them help you quickly and see what we can do. All right. So your insurance company.
Yes,
Who are they?
my way.
My Way.
Yeah.
Phone My Way right now. Tell them this is what happened. Maybe My Way has got information, some paperwork they can send quickly. You see, even that is fine. Because they will have a police, a parent number and all of that. And we've got that. I'm happy. Then I don't care. As long, so Frick,
Okay, let's phone
Fricko,
my brother.
he's going to phone My Way quickly because that's the insurance company. See if they can get paperwork from My Way.
yeah, they should have
He's got a number, he can phone for you there.
it wasn't even taken
It's
before.
wrong. It's totally wrong.
And that was the contract.
Totally wrong because the car was covered in mistake. They were supposed to do everything there. Face cancellation
Yes,
in Mpumalanga.
yes.
Then we effect
Yes,
final face
yes,
cancellation
yes,
and we take
yeah.
it from there.
Exactly, yeah.
At least it's going to
At
say
least it's
on
going to
on
say.
tell us something, yes.
Mkhata, look, you'll have to arrange
Yeah,
an alternative.
yeah.
I'm going to take the car to my office, to the police station below.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take the key
Yes,
and keep it there.
yes,
Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, you come to my office.
yes.
And then we'll do a seizure and release,
Okay.
same time. And then we
See,
take
you
the
must
car
just,
in
you're going
and
to buy
out
me lunch.
of the
So
park.
I made it a bit
Because
difficult, I
otherwise
even made it
dangerous
easy for you.
even to take the car to your place,
Yeah.
even to
Yeah.
come to the police
Yeah.
for the cancellation. It's dangerous.
It's dangerous, yeah.
One toll I'm not
Yeah,
going to-
yeah,
Yes.
of course.
So please let us drive the car to the Benoni police station and then we'll park it there. And then with your consent, you don't have any choice.
All right.
Otherwise,
No, instead, we don't want to take it to
would
the
have been
13th.
arrested now for
Possession. Yes, and I,
of which
but
you are the lawful
but he
owner.
knows
At the end
we
of the
see each
day,
other here, so it's
we
not a
as
problem.
investigating officers,
Yes.
because we represent SAPS, we were going to be left with a lawsuit now.
And that's what I said to him.
We are
He'll know. I
avoiding
said
that.
exactly
we are
to him.
getting little pay,
Yes.
payment.
Yeah.
You know.
Enough is enough.
Even you
Yes.
left us because of the same story.
Postman.
How's it?
All right.
All right, chap. Let's go to the police station.
All right.
signs. It's November Juliet 3. Standing down from Northmead Mall with the Hilux. SAPS is taking the Hilux to Benoni Station, where tomorrow it will be pounded and then released back to the owner. There seems to be a mistake from Workbank SAPS that never cleared the vehicle, and the vehicle was just handed back straight to the client without being cleared. So we're standing down from now, and SAPS is taking the vehicle through to SAPS.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended.